What's up, Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. I have a short one for you today. 2021 GT automatic. We installed the Roush Phase 2 Supercharger kit. The car is mostly stock. We're going to talk about it, and we're going to watch a dyno pull, laying down over 600 raw horsepower through the automatic. So hey, if you haven't, please subscribe, hit notify. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, just a quick rundown of what we installed in this sweet 4,000 mile 2021 automatic Mustang GT. Doug, let's take a look. It's the Roush. It's the TVS, the 2650 Supercharger. All right, this is their Phase 2 kit. We also have a Phase 1, but we typically would always recommend go with the Phase 2 Supercharger package. It's a really sweet setup and includes a 50 state legal calibration. We also installed some suspension on this car. We'll talk about that here in a second. Besides that, the car is mostly stock. We did some UPR oil separators, and that's about it. So check out this dyno pull. All right, automatic Dynojet SAE. Here's where we ended up, 636 raw horsepower at 6,500 RPM. And the reason we only went up that high is because this does have a 150 mile an hour speed limiter. So that basically shuts off at about 6,500. Torque killer, 577 real wheel torque, peaking at 4,900 RPM. And we're over 500 torque by 3,000. So by 3,000 RPM, wide open throttle, 500 torque. Doug, check this out. It's a super clean white automatic. It's white with the black wheels. I love this car, super stealthy, making over 600 of the tires. So, the only other thing we really did is some rear IRS upgrades on this, help traction out a little bit. What would you do next if you have a stock car like this running a Roush Supercharger or maybe another brand Supercharger? I would go with something like an aluminum drive shaft as the next purchase. That's a good place to go, and then start addressing the cooling mods, maybe oil pump gears. Those are all things that can be added. They're, not only add reliability, add a little bit of safety there, and a cool engine is a happy engine. So what's it cost to build something like this? Simply email quote@brenspeed.com. I will put links to this kit down in the description. Doug, let's take one more look over here. So it's the Roush. It's a TVS, it's a 2650. I really like on the Roush how they do the airbox lid so you can see the air filter. I think that's pretty sweet. Maybe you go to a cruising or a car show, you have the hood up. A lot of people like to see that right there. And that's one of the reasons a lot of people like the TVS Roush Supercharger. So again, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching. Leave that comment. We're happy to answer. Subscribe and notify. Have a good day.